everyone, back at you again with yet another video. You guys, listen. I'm sitting here and I'm trying to like fix my lighting and everything like that, and the lighting is starting to get so like hot, and I'm sitting here like, oh my god, my makeup is peeling off. My face is falling off. No, but yeah, it's just getting super hot under these lights, and I'm so sorry I'm coming here with a tissue, but this is real life. Anyway, you guys, if any of you guys follow my Twitter, I posted, I think, twice or three times this earlier this week to let you guys know that I would be doing a new video this Friday. As always, you guys know that I post my videos every single Friday, and happy Friday, you guys. So, alright. So I wanted you guys to know that I was super duper freaking excited about this new wig that I'm going to unbox today for you guys. It is a 100%, you guys, 100% human hair. Not this one. We've talked about this wig before. It's the Uma wig. I just wanted something to just kind of throw on just to start the video out. But yeah, so if you want to know more about this wig, I will place the review unboxing that I did below in the description bar, as well as I'll have like a card or something somewhere on the screen so you guys can click on it and see that review. Anyway, we are talking about a 100% unprocessed, dyeable, permeable, bleachable, colorable. You guys, I am super excited about this wig. It is Brazilian hair. I'm so freaking excited, you guys. Now, it is a lace front. It is not a full lace wig, but that is fine, you guys, because I'm not parting my hair, doing braids and things like that, so that does not even matter to me. I'm so excited about this freaking wig, you guys. I've been waiting for it to come, and it's finally here, so let's get to unboxing. Okay, I have it right in front of me. It came in this pretty box. Now, I've seen a couple reviews on it, but not really a lot, so I was excited to buy it. Okay, so it is by Motown Trust. It is a 100% human hair virgin Remy wig, you guys. I'm so freaking excited. It comes with 2 inches of lace. What I've seen and heard about this wig is you get 2 inches of lace from ear to ear. And for some people that's not a lot, and for others it's okay. But we're just gonna see. Again, it came in this beautiful box, you guys. I haven't done anything. All I did was open the box to see what the wig looked like. So that's about it. But yeah, so I'm going to go ahead. As it says on the box, you can dye it, you can bleach it, and you can perm it. I'm so excited about this wig, you guys. Okay, and the wig, the style is HBR-L.Mina, and the color is natural. Okay, inside the box, you're going to see this nice thick tissue paper, and it has right across here the same name that's on the box. Okay, you guys, so I actually cut the lace off camera just so I can cut some of the time that you guys are just sitting here, because I know you just want to see the wig. So I already cut the lace. I applied this top lock knot sealer. It says low odor, shed reducing hair knot and tape sealer. I've never tried this stuff before, but I wanted to try it because I heard, as I stated before, I heard that this wig sheds really badly. So what you want to do is you want to spray this right there on the, let me just go ahead and show you. You want to spray it right there on your lace, on the 2 inches of lace. You want to spray it right there, and you're going to leave it for 5 minutes. You want to spray thin layers, so it smells a little bit like alcohol. They did say it had a smell to it when I looked up information about this. They said it does have a smell, but the smell is more like alcohol. So I'm really thinking it's like the main ingredient must be alcohol. But anyway, you want to spray it right there on your lace, and you want to leave it for 5 minutes, and you can spray it again. Now, what it does say is you want to spray this each time you wash your wig, because you're going to wash away the knot sealer. Okay, so let's go ahead and delve right into what the wig looks like on the inside. You're going to have your 2 inches from ear to ear lace. You have 2 combs in the front. They're really, really little, right there at the temples. And then you're going to have a nice size comb in the back. And then you're going to have your adjustable straps. Now, I heard this is big head friendly, and I don't really have a huge head, but hopefully it fits me. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and take this wig off. Okay, take that wig off, and we're going to go ahead and put this one on and just see what it looks like. I'm so excited. Oh yeah, this is definitely big head friendly. Wow, this wig is huge. Okay, so let's take this thing off. And let me adjust those straps properly, because I'm telling y'all, like, I don't know, like, sometimes they make these wigs way too big, and like my head is not huge like that. So I have a huge forehead, but like the rest of my head is not that big, so I usually have to crisscross my adjustable straps so it will fit properly. So I'm gonna just go ahead and do that really quick. Okay. All right. So take 2. Let's try this again. All right. So, oh, that's so much better. Much better. Okay. Wow. Alrighty. Oh, okay. Now, I don't think this is 24 inches. I'm 5'4", you guys. I don't think this is 24 inches. This is probably like a good maybe 18 to 20 inches. Okay, so let me try this little... Oh, okay! Like, let me stop, y'all. Oh my god! First off, it is shutting really bad, and I've already put the top knot sealer on it. Like, I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that, but it is like about 3 or 4 hairs. And all I did was... Okay. Alright. Alright, we're going to keep going. And I think this is about 130% density, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's about 130% density. Now, I don't usually... I mean, I use the comb sometimes with wigs, but I don't always do that. But look at this flip over method, you guys. Just flipping the hair over. Like, that is so cute. Y'all cannot say this wig is not cute. This wig is so cute. I'm so excited about this wig. It's more on the thinner side, but it's more like a realistic, natural density. Now, if you're used to wigs that have... I mean, the hairline is okay. The hairline is okay, but, you know, it is what it is. But if you're used to, like, only synthetic wigs and, like, the thickness of a synthetic wig, you're probably not going to be happy with this wig. But, I mean, sometimes I feel like the synthetic or the human hair blends or those type of wigs, I sometimes feel like they're a bit too thick, because my natural hair, I have fine hair, so, you know, my hair isn't like super thick. Like, I don't have thin hair, but it's not really thick. So something like this that feels a little bit more like, I'm not gonna say like my hair, because my hair isn't like this, of course, but that feels a little bit more natural and it's not heavy. I love that. I love that. That's definitely my thing. So again, you guys, this is a 100% human hair virgin Remy wig. And wait a minute, I forgot. You guys, guess how much I paid for it? I paid $130. Like that, I mean, that might not seem like it's cheap, but when you think about it, when you look at like a plethora of hair websites, and you're looking for like a human hair wig, they are a bit expensive. You know, to get a really good human hair wig that is 100% virgin unprocessed hair, you're gonna pay at least $300 for it. At the very least, if it's good quality, the very minimal I've seen about $350 for a really good wig. So for $130 for a virgin unprocessed lace front, come on, y'all. Come on, y'all. That's like everything right there. I'm super excited about this wig, you guys. I'm done. I'm done. I'm not going to hold you guys any longer. I'm going to go about my day now. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. I will see you guys in the very next video. Remember to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and subscribe to me here on YouTube. I post a lot of pictures and things like that, and little zany stuff on Twitter. So I post a lot of crazy stuff like that on my Twitter. I post a lot of pictures and things relating to my YouTube over on Instagram, and just some other little stuff. So you guys definitely follow me over there. I will see you guys in the very next video. Happy Friday. This is Queenification1. See you guys next Friday. Bye.